Hey now, you're a master, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a master, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. Hey masters, how are you today? Today we're in module 7, lesson 2. So if you need to go get your math books or a pencil, you can go do that. And we will get started. All right, today I can draw pictures to show the numbers 8 and 9. Yesterday we did the numbers 6 and 7. Today we're doing the numbers 8 and 9. All right, here we go. Listen to this story. Did you find this page? Yeah? All right, we're on page 191. And the way that that is written is 1, 9, 1. So look for that number at the bottom of your page and look for that picture, 191. All right, listen to the story. How can you represent the number of instruments in the story? Say the numbers. Michael cleans up after music class. He puts away 8 bells in a container. Then he puts 9 triangles in another container. All right, let's read it again. Michael cleans up after music class. That's nice, Michael. He puts away 8 bells in a container. He puts away 9 triangles in another container. All right. Bells. I'm going to make circles for the bells. Okay. Here we go. We're going to have 8 bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bells. And 9 triangles. All right. 9 triangles. 1, 2. Did you know triangles are musical instruments? They have some pretty cool ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Oh, I did one too many. You're right. I'm sorry. I just was doing triangles and I just forgot. There we go. Let's count to make sure Math Wizard didn't mess up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go. All right, you can pause this while you do that. All right, here's number 1. Oh, do you remember what this box is called? It's a 10 frame. All right. How can you use an object to represent each instrument? Trace the number, say the number, and trace the number. Khalid hands out 8 xylophones to the class. Do you know what a xylophone is? Well, we're just going to do a rectangle for the xylophone. So he passes out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, do you notice that I fill up the first row and then I go back to the left and I continue filling it up that way? That's the way you're supposed to use it. It might have been fun if I made one over here, but that makes it a little harder to count them. So that's why we do it in order, okay? Because we know, hey, I can start at 5. That's 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. And then you need to trace the number 8. Now, one thing I want you to know, when you do an 8, don't make a snowman. I don't want to see you make a snowman. I mean, snowmen are very fun. But that's not how we do an 8, okay? An 8, I want you to do, you kind of go like this, almost like it's, what letter does that look like? An S. And then come back up with a slant back to the beginning. Pretend like it's a racetrack that you're making, like whoosh, whoosh. Okay, that's how I want you to do an 8. So you can practice doing a few more if you want. All right, good job. All right, what number is that? All right, it's a 9, you're right. How can you use an object to represent each instrument? Say the number, trace the number. Jordan hands out 9 harmonicas to the class. Have you guys ever played a harmonica? They're pretty funny. They are, yes. Let's do 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to fill up here 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. I didn't quite fill up the whole 10 frame, did I? How many more would I have to put in there to fill up a 10 frame? I'd have to put in 1 more, wouldn't I? All right. Now we're going to trace the number. Please don't start at the bottom. We don't start at the bottom. No, no, no. Start up here. Roll around, whoop, and then straight up and slant down. All right. Whoop, whoop. Now, I see a lot of friends do a 9 this way. That's not a 9 though, is it? What letter is that? Yes, it's a P. It's not a 9. How silly. All right, so go ahead and you can do a few 9s if you want. All right. Oh, okay. You can pause this while you do that. Pause the video while you do that, okay? All right, a couple more problems. What number is this? And this? Okay, or right here. There are 8 drums. How can you use an object to represent each drum? Circle the number that represents the group of drums. So you're going to determine which one of these is an 8. So there are 8 drums. So I'm not going to draw these all for you, but this is what you would do. You could choose what shape you want. I don't know. And what color you want to. Maybe you want to do yellow drums, circle drums. This looks like the top of a drum, right? Okay, so you're going to do 8 of them. And then you're going to circle which number is 8. All right, good. Pause this while you do that. All right. There are 9 drumsticks. How can you use an object to represent a drumstick? I think I know how I would do a drumstick. There are 9 of them. I'm just going to do sticks. 1, 2, 3. How many am I going to do? There are 9. So continue doing them until you get to 9. Count them to double check that you have 9. And then circle which of these is a 9. All right. You can pause this while you do that. All right. On your own. Look at those. Those look like big trumpets, don't they? Okay, on your own, you're going to go find your homeschool teacher and ask them to read the questions to you, read the directions to you, okay? And then remember, this is for you to show them how much you've learned, Math Stars, so you want to do it on your own. And if it's a little bit hard, that's okay, because we can do hard things, okay? All right, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.